Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it is a drama a minute within the Nigerian state. We all know that there's no time that you look within the Nigerian state that you are not immediately overwhelmed by a sense of bewilderment. So with that guys, I bring you this drama in court as judge asks Maina to stop looking at him. So that's the headline. Drama in court as judge asked Maina to stop looking at him. So now let's see what manner of comedy this one is going to bring. There was a mild drama at the Federal High Court Abuja on Friday as presiding judge Justice Okon told the embattled former chairman of the Pensions Reform Task Team Abdul Maina to stop looking at him. Okon stated this when he was about to rule on the application for bail filed by Maina's lawyer Ahmed Raji. Okon said, "Please, I don't want the first defendant to look at me when I am delivering my ruling so that I can concentrate." So that is what the judge said. He doesn't want Maina to look at him whilst he's delivering his judgment so that he can concentrate. The court registrar, in an attempt to amplify the directive of the judge, further compounded the matter as he asked Maina to look at the prosecution who brought him to court. The judge later continued with his ruling as he ordered the defendant to be remanded in prison custody. So now this is now the latest comedy now that we're being entertained with. So you can't even look at the judge anymore. I'm not on Maina's side, of course. Everybody knows that I'm not on Maina's side. You all know what I think of this guy. But the idea that you cannot even look at the judge when he's delivering a judgment on you is now really something that is peculiarly Nigerian. But then of course we are peculiar within the Nigerian state. We all know that. I've said this often. What is normal in Nigeria is bizarre in any other country on this planet. So what passes as norm within our own state is something that most other countries have not even heard of as a possibility, never mind it being possible within their space. But then this is Nigeria and we are Nigerians. Conversations in the comment section. You are not allowed to look at the judge whilst he's delivering judgment on you. But before you come have this chat, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this rather bizarre pronouncement of this judge in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.